Being sent off for a legal eagle, Thamae was described as a committed servant who executed her duties with distinction. Her colleagues say many looked up to her as she was a bright spark who had cemented her place in the judiciary. She was also described as a perfectionist.
She was an intelligent, very feisty, confident young black advocate. She was amongst the first black advocates to have gone through the pupillage program at the Free State Society of Advocates. And soon thereafter, we tried our utmost best to lure her to the judiciary, which we ultimately managed to do in the year 2013 when she joined as a district court magistrate.
She was very intelligent person, and then she would make sure that she climbed the ladders of the profession. And then Mamello Inelimuto are very, very, very humble. And then you would not hear Mamello raising her voice towards anybody.
Mourners highlighted that although Thamae was a joyful soul, she did mention that she was going through a lot at home to those closest to her. The attendees also bemoaned gender-based violence. Thamae's body was discovered in the boot of a vehicle by the Lesotho Mounted Police after she and her estranged husband had gone missing from their home at Hillbrown in the Free State.
Really shocked us, all of us, the women and the children and the male of South Africa. But we are going to fight from now on and fight for the freedom that it stated that we have a freedom, but we don't have a freedom in our own houses. So we need to fight for our freedom in our own houses. As women, we must be free.
Those at a senior level recognized her capabilities and the prospect for longevity in the judiciary. They have called for a harsh sentence for her killer.
That are taken into consideration when sentence is imposed. But one of the facts I was pleading with my colleagues that they should balance all the factors properly. And also there are certain cases wherein the courts, other courts have held that in a crime of passion, that should be a mitigating factor. That is, a lesser sentence should be imposed because these people were lovers. But the rate at which lovers, especially men, are killing women means that no, the sentence needs to be harsher so that it can have a deterrent effect.
Police say the extradition of the husband, who is in police custody in Lesotho, is underway. Makhala Masiteng, SABC News, Bloemfontein.